the lowest. Maximum, this is the highest. So the lowest is right here, which is -3, 0. The highest point, well, if you notice, these have arrows that go up forever. This one also goes up forever. Either way, this graph goes up forever, right? So that means it doesn't have a highest point. So just put not applicable in A. Okay, the domain, remember, measures the x, the range measures the y, or represents the y values, really. So domain, it goes forever left, right? And it goes forever right. So that means x can be anything. X is all real numbers. The y, oh, I put it in the wrong box. I should have just not even written that x. So forever that way, forever that way. So all real numbers. The range. So does it have a highest? No. Does it have a lowest? Yes. So remember, range is y. It has a lowest. The lowest is 0. So, and everything's above it, so y has to be bigger than 0. Cool. X-intercepts. Remember that that is where it crosses the x-axis, where your graph crosses the x-axis. And that means the x can change, but you can never go up or down. So the x can change, but you never go up or down. So -3, 0. And y-intercept. Let's see where it intercepts the y-axis, which is right here. So that is 0, 9. Remember that for the y-intercept, the y can change, but the x will always be 0. So 0, 9. Okay, so remember, what's the value of f of -1? Remember, that is the x. That is the x. So f of -1, it gives us the x, it's asking for the y. F of -1. So if x is -1, y is 4. I'm gonna make a little, I'll put the y right here. So 4, they just look so similar, right? Let's do that. Okay, now f of -6. F of -6. So where x is -6, y is 9. So f of -6 is 9. Cool. Now it's going to give me, this is the x, it's going to give me the y. So okay, so let's go for the y. When does f of x equal 0? When is y 0? So when does f of x equal 0? When does y, oh, I know what it is. This whole thing here is y. When does y equal 0? Y equals 0 when x is right here. When x equals -3. When does y, f of x is y, equal 9? Okay, so y is 9 right here. Actually, it's right here and right here. So when x equals 0 and ooh, I want to write that bracket a little better. So when does y equal 9? When x is -6 and 0. Cool. Oh, I shouldn't put that. Now let's go up here. Yeah, that's why. So right here, it's really just saying when does f of x equal -7, when does y? Remember, this whole thing is y. When does y equal 0? Cool. So I'm going to block that out. Cool. Thank you.